In the last few days, the court sessions of the trial between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp have been coming out. A lot of evidence has been shown in this regard, and above all, it has been trying to prove that Amber is the one who abused and violated Depp. Many people have changed teams and support the actor, and above all, ask for justice, since the actress not only defamed Depp, but lied in everything she's been saying in recent years. And one of the people demanding justice is her Aquaman co-star, Jason Momoa. Stay to know all the details. According to a doctor for Johnny Depp's defense, ex-wife Amber Heard has borderline personality disorder. On Tuesday, April 26th, Dr. Shannon Curry, a professional psychologist who is licensed but not board-certified, as Heard's counsel pointed out, testified that she believes Heard demonstrates psychological symptoms of combined borderline personality disorder and histrionic personality disorder. Curry, who frequently works with celebrities, said in her evidence that she based her assessment on case papers provided by Depp's attorneys and two-staged conversations with Heard. Due to her adversarial connection with Depp, who moved from being, quote, idealized to the dumpster by Heard, the expert witness found that Amber grossly inflated symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder. Evidence has also been included of when the policeman went to search Amber's house for domestic violence. One of the officers who responded to the domestic complaint at Amber Heard and Depp's penthouse in 2016 testified that she determined Heard wasn't a victim of domestic violence and that no crime had been committed. Officer Melissa Saines of the Los Angeles Police Department confessed in a pre-recorded deposition that she and her partner didn't take notes or take photos when they arrived at the couple's ritzy residence. Saines, on the other hand, said Heard was uncooperative and that she'd found no evidence of injury or property damage when questioned. When asked why she hadn't left Heard a pamphlet outlining resources that officers generally hand out when responding to a potential domestic abuse incident, Saines stated, "I did not identify her as a victim of domestic violence." According to the phone record filed as evidence in the defamation lawsuit, the visit to the penthouse lasted around 15 minutes. The defense presented Saines images of Heard's face with red marks, but the officer stated the marks didn't look like an injury or being smacked in the face with a cell phone. "It's consistent with her crying. Her face is flush," Saines claimed during the March 31st, 2021 deposition. The officer stated that she and her partner found no evidence of anything awry or a crime having been committed at the South Broadway apartment, even though she didn't know who Heard was before the call. Even though she claimed to know who Depp was, she had no idea he was the owner of the opulent apartment at the time. But what does Jason Momoa have to do with this? How is his relationship with Amber Heard currently? When the film Aquaman was released in 2018, fans of the DC Comics property were treated to a love tale unlike any other. The superhero film follows Arthur, aka Aquaman, as he leads the Kingdom of Atlantis in a battle against his half-brother, King Orm, who is attempting to unite the 7 undersea kingdoms and destroy the planet. On the set of Justice League, Amber and Jason began to get to know each other. The two starred in the 2017 DC flick, but it wasn't until the making of Aquaman that they solidified their friendship. Their friendship and the close bond became public awareness through their amicable displays on set, where they played love interests Arthur, aka Aquaman, and Mera, Queen of the Sea. However, it does not appear that all went smoothly. Amber talked to us about her unique set routine and how she always managed to read books in between takes during an appearance on Good Morning America in December 2018 to promote the film. However, because she and Jason had a squabble about it, she had to resort to using a green screen material bag to shield her books from Jason. She went on to say, "I love Jason, we had so much fun together, but he is allergic to being ignored, and I'm a bookworm who loves to read. He adopted this method of ripping out the pages of my book, so I would pay attention to him. It would drive me crazy because I'd have 30 pages left and it would be gone." Following the successful production of Aquaman in 2017, Amber and Jason went all out to commemorate the occasion. The crew threw a celebration for the on-screen love interests. Amber posted images to her Instagram feed from the party, including one of her and Jason opening a bottle of wine while striking goofy postures. She referred to Jason as her aqua hubby in the comment and gushed about how much she liked working with him for the last 7 months. Amber and Jason have palpable chemistry on screen in the DC superhero film, which is no surprise. Director James Wan even complimented the pair on their outstanding performance. Amber and Jason, on the other hand, were so skilled at pretending that it was speculated that they were dating. There were rumors that the co-stars were flirting with each other to the point where Jason's wife, Lisa Bonet, felt jealous and insecure. Bonet, on the other hand, disputed the rumors, claiming that nothing was going on between her husband and Heard. Despite the upheaval in their relationship, Amber and Jason had a lot of fun while filming Aquaman and afterward. Amber's page is chock full of amusing photos from heartfelt moments spent together. When they were photographed in similar attire in a famous photo from 2017, they made the news. During a filming session in Australia, the good buddies wore fedora hats and amber glasses to stay covert. Amber then made news in 2018 after penning an op-ed for The Washington Post in which she detailed the violence she received from her ex-husband, Johnny Depp. Johnny lost his role in Fantastic Beasts 3 as well as other sponsorships as a result of her announcement. Amber admitted to hitting Johnny during their marriage during a leaked phone call in 2020. As a result, the #JusticeForJohnnyDepp movement took off on social media. Jason remains silent throughout Amber and Johnny's ordeal. The Hawaii native has been chastised for remaining silent throughout the event, while others have applauded him for keeping his cool. Although Aquaman is not directly involved with all the drama, he is a person close to Amber, so it's reasonable that after all the evidence that has been coming to light, the actor comments on the matter. So sources close to him have commented that he is furious and that he has taken a side. He is in favor of justice for her violence and her lies to defame and sink the career of Johnny Depp. Let's not forget where it all began. Amber gave her opinion and details of her failed ex-marriage in an article in the renowned newspaper The Washington Post, where she explained the mistreatment she had suffered. This not only caused a stir, but it also brought her ex-husband Johnny Depp's career to a tragic end. And even though she did not specifically mention his name, the actor's chances of returning to the famous Disney film franchise with his acclaimed and successful role in Pirates of the Caribbean were effectively ended by this article. It has been an excruciatingly long time since the actor formally filed a lawsuit against his wife and legal team. So in March of this year, Johnny decided to take action and filed a lawsuit against Amber for only $50 million. This is in response to the above-mentioned story in The Washington Post. He argued that she is not a victim of domestic violence, she is a perpetrator in the case, and that he's never physically harmed her. The piece was also an overuse of the women empowerment movement, according to the actor's lawyers, because the actress not only voiced her support for women's rights, but also expressed her opinions while serving as the American Civil Liberties Union's ambassador for women's rights at the time. However, despite all the evidence presented over the years in this long feud between the actors, and since Johnny was accused of abusing her, the phone recordings revealed that Amber was actually the one abusing Johnny, as well as her love affairs with actor James Franco and Elon Musk, the tycoon and co-founder of platforms like PayPal and Tesla's director. Everything after that unleashed drama and more drama. But tell us your opinion and what you think of Amber Heard and the new evidence. Do you think she has mental disorders, like the doctor said? Or is it all just a plan by Johnny to win the trial? Leave us your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you continue to get all the details from your favorite celebrities. See you in the next video.